so we've got our leg frame put together, and now we need to what's called convert it to a component. To do this, we're just going to go through and select, and if we select by click, you can see it only selects one thing at a time, and if we hold down the shift key, we can add to our selection, so we get all three selected. And then we can just right click on it and make it a component. The little dollar box comes up, so we can call it table legs, and then everything else is fine. We can just leave those. You can look into those further if you want later on. So now you can see there's a blue box around the complete object, so we've got one element. So here now we need to make copies, so we've got a few options. We could come over and use the move tool, and things are freaking out. Computer doesn't like it. So here, and you can see again, because we haven't got anything collected, we just need to hold down the control key, and now we have multiple options. So again, it's really important to make sure that we stay on the axis. So you can see the little thing comes up on green axis, which is great, and the line between where we started and where we went to is green as well. So we've got the direction right. So here I know the distance is 1550, and if we divide that by 5 is 310. So I can just type in 310 and hit enter, and then we've got 1 moved across, but we want 5. So if we just, without touching anything else, just type in X for times 4 and then push enter, you can then see we now have 5 legs. So if we come and we'll just delete this guy, so we'll delete him, he's in the way, but now you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've made 4 copies of the original, which equals 5. So a quick way of making all the elements. So now we need to draw the light box on top, and we'll do that next.